Natalie Lynch is a credentialed investigator and licensed attorney, not a vlogger.
What do I do about the kinds of conclusions that I can make? So first of all, not legal ones. So investigators cannot make legal conclusions. And the reason that that is the case is that, at least in most cases, investigators are not judges, and only judges can make conclusions of law. So since we are not judges and we are not juries, we do not make conclusions of law. But we can talk about what is more likely than not. And it is likely that people who do make law, namely judges and juries, will believe our position about something being more likely than not. And so we don't ever say someone was discriminated against, but we would say someone reported discrimination. And we would say 3 people also perceived discrimination to have occurred in exactly the same way. And as a result, it is more likely than not that it was reasonable when they believed that they were being discriminated against. You can also make statements of fact that go to things like discrimination too, without making those legal conclusions. So I can conclusively say that people of color made more or less money. Like that is a calculatable thing that I can make a conclusory statement about. I cannot then say, because people of color made less money, they were discriminated against, because that's a conclusion of law. However, I think anyone making decisions with a report that says people of color got paid less and most people felt like they were discriminated against are going to ultimately make the same decision that a judge would in a case like that.
Mom, you have to tell people to like and subscribe.